Hello students, today we are going to discuss chapter physical quantities and measurement. In this video we will discuss numericals of mass and length. In previous video we have discussed conversion of one unit of length to another. We studied that 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter, 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeter, 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. Using these relations, we will able to solve the numericals. Let's start. Our first question is, convert the following measurement into centimeter. In this question, we have given length into kilometer, meter, millimeter, and we have to convert into centimeter. In first part, we have given 4 meter. It means in this question we have to convert 4 meter into centimeter. We will use relation that 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So, to get the value of 4 meter, we will multiply 4 into 100, that is 400 centimeter. In second question, we have to convert 3 meter 55 centimeter into centimeter. In this type of questions, first of all, we will convert meter into centimeter. Then we will get two parts of centimeter, two values of centimeter, and at the end we will add those values. Let's begin. First of all, meter will be converted into centimeter by using the relation 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 3 meter is equal to 3 into 100 is equal to 300 centimeter. Now we get two values of centimeter, that is 300 centimeter plus 55 centimeter. We will add those values. So 300 centimeter plus 55 centimeter is equal to 355 centimeter. In third part, we have to convert 30 inches into centimeter. So we will use relation 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeter. To get 30 inch, we will multiply 30 into 2.5, that is 75 centimeter. In fourth part, 2 feet, it means we have to convert 2 feet into centimeter. There is no direct relation in your curriculum from feet to centimeter, but we have relations like feet to inch and inch to centimeter. We will use them. 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So 2 feet is equal to 2 into 12 inches is equal to 24 inches. Now 24 inches will convert it into centimeter by using the relation 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So 24 into 2.5 is equal to 60 centimeter. So in this numerical, first of all we will convert feet into inches, then inches into centimeter. Feet will convert it into inches by using the relation 1 feet is equal to 12 inches, and inch will be converted into centimeter. 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeter. Come to next question. Convert the following measurement into meter. Now we have to convert kilometer into meter, or millimeter into meter, centimeter into meter. First question, we have given 3 kilometer. So we want to convert kilometer, 3 kilometer into meter. We will use relation 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 3 kilometer is equal to 3 into 1000, that is 3000 meter. Second question, 10 feet. So again, for conversion, first of all we will convert feet into inches, then inches into centimeter, centimeter into meter. Now we know that 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So 10 feet is equal to 12 into 10, that is 120 inches. Now inches will convert it into centimeter. We know 1 inch is equal to 2.5 centimeter. So 120 inches will be 120 into 2.5 is equal to 300 centimeter. Now centimeter will convert into meter. We will use relation 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So to get the value of, to convert the 300 centimeter into meter, we will divide 300 by 100. So 300 upon 100 is equal to 3 meter. Now we have studied in earlier videos conversion between units of mass. We can convert one system of unit to another by using the relation 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg, 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Let's begin numericals of units of mass conversion. First question is convert the following unit of mass into gram. It means if mass is given in kg, milligram, we have to convert into gram. First question is 28 kg. We know 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram. So 28 kg is equal to 28 into 1000, that is 28,000 gram. Second question, 3 kg 200 gram. We know that to solve this kind of numericals, first of all kg will convert into gram, then we will get two values of gram, and at the end we will add those values. First 3 kg will convert into gram by using the relation 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram, then 3 kg is equal to 3 into 1000, that is 3000 gram. Now we get two values, 3000 gram and 200 gram. So 3000 gram plus 200 gram is equal to 3200 gram. Next question, we want to convert 3500 milligram into gram. We know that 1000 milligram is equal to 1 gram. So 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. We want to convert 3500 milligrams. So multiply it with 3500. 3500 milligram is equal to 3500 into 1 upon 1000 is equal to 3.5 gram. So we can convert milligram into gram by using relation 1 milligram is equal to 1 upon 1000 gram. Now let's discuss back axis numerical. First numerical you have given, if a room has length 10 meter and breadth of 5 meter, calculate length and breadth in centimeter. It means length and breadth are given in meter, we have to convert into centimeter by using the relation 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So for obtain length in centimeter, you will multiply 10 by the factor 100 and multiply breadth, that is 5 by the 100. So if length of room in meter is 10 meter, in centimeter it will be 10 into 100 centimeter, that is 1000 centimeter. We use a relation 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. For breadth of room, if breadth of room is in meter 5 meter, then in centimeter it will be 5 into 100 centimeter, that is 500 centimeter. Next question, if thickness of 15 coin is 10.5 centimeter, what is the thickness of one coin? If thickness of 15 coin is 10.5 centimeter, if we want to obtain thickness of one coin, then 10.5 divided by 15, we will get value 0.7 centimeter. If you want to convert into millimeter, then you will multiply 0.7 by 10 with 10, that is 0.7 multiply 10 millimeter. Why? Because we know that 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. So 7 millimeter. You can write thickness of coin is 0.7 centimeter or 7 millimeter. Next question, how much rice is present in kilogram in a sack of 1 quintal of rice? In question we have given there is a sack having capacity 1 quintal. It means we can put rice of 1 quintal in the sack. if you want to put rice in kilogram, then how much rice can put? So we know that 1 quintal is equal to 100 kg. So in a sack of 1 quintal of rice, you can put rice 100 kg. Therefore, in a sack of 1 quintal of rice, there is 100 kg rice present in it. Now, in this question, we have to convert 5 centimeter into meter. We know that if 100 centimeter is equal to 1 meter, so 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. So we will divide 500 by 100. We will get value 5 meter. We will use relation conversion centimeter to meter, that is 1 centimeter is equal to 1 upon 100 meter. In this question, we want to calculate 2 kg is equal to how many grams? So, we know that 1 kg is equal to 1000 gram and 2 kg is equal to 2 into 1000, that is 2000 gram. Yes students, so by using the conversions of one system of unit to another, by using those relations, you can easily solve these numericals. Do practice at home. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.